This is the elevator at the newly renovated Downtown Carnegie Library in downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's an Otis HydroFit. There's just that kind. The old elevator here. It's also a talking hut. It's also talks, which might actually be a Gen 2. Type 2. And the old elevator here was a Otis sort of Series 6.
Second floor. Going down.
Right, I wanted the old elevator here was an Otis Series 6, and I went to lower level 1. Now it's 1 and 2, and they got rid of the lower level, which is weird. I thought they would keep that. Especially since if they wanted to
Please stand clear of the closing door.
And it has the please stand clear of the closing doors glitch. Got a very nice cab. Look at that. I got warts. Good historic downtown imagery. That's very nice. The old elevator was much basic.
First floor.
Got the new voice too, floor voice. It used to have a taller ceiling, has a single side door. I guess the other one also has a single side door.
Going up.
It's a nice elevator. It's an MRL HydroFit. I think that's gonna be it.